Greetings and salutations. I'm out here today wrenching on Big Red, and one of the things that I'm missing here is the upper alternator bracket, and this is actually an alternator off of, I believe it's off a police car, like a 90s Caprice police car. Anyway, I made a lower bracket, and what I was going to do for an upper bracket, I think I've come up with a solution, and I'm going to alter the original bracket I had on this, which was for a short water pump. So originally, all this was welded together like this, and I cut it up. So this was on there like that. Made a little pattern. I gotta lengthen it. I'm gonna cut that pattern out of this piece of metal here. I'm gonna see if I can make this work. There it is, a little longer. Let's put it on and see if it fits, and then I gotta fit this. This was the side piece that was way up here, and now it's gotta be down here. So let's see if I can make this work. I'm sure I can. So, to measure for a new belt, and I'll do that first thing in the morning if the kids go out to school, and I'll get a new belt. It's time for a little bit of a test drive.
The next morning.
Good morning. To go out and measure for the belt, and then go make a trip down to the parts store and buy one. Enjoy just what I want to do. Let's try a different measuring method. Using an actual belt. Time stands still for no man. And I have to move this pig. So I'm going to gather up my tools. I'm going to get this thing fired up. Get it over in the driveway so I can work on it. Well, it came in a little hot. I ended up knocking over my trash can with all the stuff that was on it, the starter that was on there. So that are smoking a little bit, and I think that might be all the .3 that I poured into the freaking header wrap trying to bleed this clutch master. And I had the brakes bled over a year ago, and they're not doing well, and I think one of the calipers just freaking seized on me because came in the driveway a little bit too hot, and I thought I was going to smash into the dirt, and I freaking two-footed the brake pedal, and I managed to get it wound up just as I hit that trash can, and now the brakes are stuck on, which isn't good. So I'll have to put this thing up with jack stands, pull the front tires off, and see about figuring out which caliper is foobar. I really don't want to spend money on this thing if I don't have to, but I'm gonna have to find out what's going on and at least free it up, and then, well, let's check the brake fluid anyway. That looks good. It's got a brand new master cylinder on it, and front and rear the flex lines are braided, but they're 20 years old, so I might just have to go ahead and get some new rubber lines, flex lines, replace those. That probably wouldn't be a bad idea anyway. It ran under its own power when I moved it from Michigan in 2012, and that's the last time it's ran under its own power. I'm gonna say when. If I have anything to add, I'll add it. If not, I'm gonna end the video here. And that's the latest installment on the Dually project. One way that you can help speed up these projects is to shop on Amazon, and if you do that, go through one of the links that are in the description. I'll put a link to some products that are associated with this Dually project, and if you're not interested in any of those products, that's fine. Just go through one of the products there to whatever it is you're buying, and that's one way that you can support this channel financially. Thank you in advance if you do that. And if you can't afford to do that, then we're probably related. Yeah. If you like this project and the series, go ahead and smash that like button, and then share it with your vast social media network. If you don't like this project and you think I'm a big dumb goof, then smash the dislike button and share it with your vast social media network. If you haven't done so yet, underneath this window is a button that says subscribe. Click that and the little bell icon next to it so you too can be notified of future uploads. Excuse me while I wet my whistle. Oh God, I love sweet tea. Well, that's all I got for today. You have fun, stay safe, shoot straight, keep your powder dry, and have a splendid day. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye now. Right in your shine the camera right into the sun. What an idiot. If I could hold on to the thing. Goof. That's more better. That ain't even right. What the hell? Pew! Idiot! So I gotta lengthen this. Yeah. Okay, I gotta make a new pattern. Because this is f***ed. I probably have to go and make 2 or 3 more trips before I get the right freaking belt. Because I'm a goof!